this one. Here is a jobs. What is this jobs and job controlling kind of stuff? Okay, what is this jobs and job control or controlling kind of stuff? So here is this one. So we can understand there's a different jobs are there. So some are like a foreground jobs, some are background jobs are there. So job means it's just a you given a command and it is run the command. Okay, when you given a command, it run the command, it generate a output. Okay, so just for example, I run a date command. I given a job, completed a job, and display the output. Some are running jobs. For example, sleep 1000. Can you see it is running job? It is in my terminal only. So this terminal that is all showing up to 1000 seconds. It will be like that only. Once 1000 seconds are completed, then it is back to normal one. So I'm canceling this one. Control C. Okay, I stop the process. That's it. Okay, so when it is showing in my screen, then it is a running process. For example, cat double greater ff. See, it is running process, not stopped process. If I open another terminal, it shows this is like a running process only. Okay, and it is running in my foreground. It is running in my foreground only. I can type anything, right? Like this is my foreground process. Once I completed, either it is save and close or maybe cancel the process. Then only I can return to my normal terminal. Okay, right? I save and closed. Now I'm in a normal hashtag. Okay. So if process is running on your terminal, that is called a foreground process. If you run a process and a process is run completed and generate output on your screen, that is a process. That is also foreground process, and process is run completed and generate output or something is happened in the background, so we don't know. That's just we got completed. It return the our terminal. So once it is generated, return the terminal. For example, I type something very big command, then it is keep on running, right? So till the command runs, it will shows like ls space hyphen capital R slash under slash so many directories having so many things are there, no? So running this. So what happened? It is keep on running till the process completed, till the it is completed. Okay, so it will keep on going. Once it is completed, it came to normal terminal. See, we got it back. I didn't touch anything, I didn't cancel anything, just let it complete. Okay, like that. The thing is, so when you run a process and then process will run and it is once it is completed, return the terminal. It runs in your foreground only. But you want to run a process but not in your foreground, but you want to run the process in a background, then we should use a symbol called a ampersand. Okay, so last time I use a process sleep one, then it is immediately written. Why one is written immediately, why 1000 is not immediately? It's a one means 1 second only. For example, I give 5 seconds, just wait for a 5 second process running on my foreground. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, yeah, now it is returned to my screen automatically because 5 seconds completed. Process is completed. Okay, so I given a command, it means sleep for 5 seconds. Okay, so the sleep is a sleep command and 5 is a 5 seconds command. So when process is completed, it return to normal. Okay, it is but process, where is the process running? In my foreground only, in my foreground only. For example, I give process 1000 and I put an ampersand, enter. Okay, I have to wait for 100 seconds. Not required. It is written normally. Understand difference? So like mm, with ampersand and without ampersand. Earlier two commands, no ampersand. No, it run on my screen and it returned my terminal. Now it is I given 100. So my process is running. My process is running, but not on my screen. It is running in a background. How to check running background jobs? It's a jobs command. If you type jobs command, you can see what is the background process you are running. You are controlling. So a lot of jobs are running in background. We don't see that one. But you are put a command, that command running either it is in foreground or in a background. So when you give an ampersand, the process is run in a background. Understand? Process is running in a background. Okay. Next, how to see with the ps command like J. Ps space hyphen J. You can see the process running process in a background. Of course, the terminal related thing is showing first bash and ps, but you can see sleep. So that the process running in a your background. That is you are given a command. Whenever you given a command that we consider as a job. When system is running a command, so system is running something that is considered as a system process only. But when you given a command that is belongs to you only, that is belongs to a job only. Okay, so that's we can differ. So sleep 1, sleep 5, and 100. Okay, still this is how we can able to see. So jobs is a command, so to see what are the jobs you are done, mainly background jobs only, not foreground jobs. So we'll see in a background only. So jobs, it is done, 100 seconds is done, that's why it is showing done. If you give again, nothing, because once background process is completed, automatically it will exit. Automatically it will exit, so it cannot see that one. I think got the point. So foreground job means it display on your screen. So when I put a command like a ps space hyphen say, it display output and the process is completed. Exit once, exit. Okay, till, and if process is running, if process is running, it is on my screen only. So I put a command again, sleep 10 seconds. Again, I might try to explain this one. Sleep 10 means 10 seconds. Okay, so don't think about 10 seconds and all. Now process is running. Process is running. Once process is completed, then it return normally. Okay, as long as process is running, it is running in my foreground only. I will give another 20 seconds. See, now process is running in my foreground only. This is called a foreground run process. Once process is completed, it return to normal command. So while we can able to type the commands in that hashtag, or I have to cancel the process, or I have to stop the process. Now process completed, it normal. But when I give same 20 space ampersand, what will happen? This process run in background, so it won't run in a foreground. So I don't need to wait for a give us next command. The process run in a background. It is not running in a my foreground. So I can able to get this one. So I can put a command like ls. See, I can able to do it. Now how to see this background process? Because I put the process into the background, right? So one command is ps space hyphen j. Now I can able to see the process which is running in a background. And also there is a command called jobs. What jobs you put it in a background? So that is a job you put it in a background, and it is already done. 20 seconds only, right? So it won't take much time. It is done. Once it is done, it is also removed from the background. Like when process is running in your foreground, once process completed, it return to your terminal, normal one. Okay, and like same thing, if process is running in a background also, once the process is completed, then it will exit from the background also. So this is called a foreground and background process. Foreground process means runs on your terminal. Background means run inside a system only, it won't show on your screen. Okay, so that is the difference. So to run any process in a background, we should use ampersand. We should use ampersand. To make any process into background, we should add ampersand extra. That's it. I put it clear. Now there is a textbook practical is there, so I want to show you that textbook practical with a sleep command only. Of course, you have a doubt on other things. I can put it like date, displaying output, date, ampersand, running in a background, and display output something here. Done. Process is done. Actually it should be display on screen as per the script. We should not run in a background. Okay, anything you can run in a background. Okay, normally if you have a GUI interface, we didn't use that one, we are using minimal. So if you have GUI interface, I can show you how to control the process and how to kill the process, how to run the process in background. So we can see that one. Okay, now we'll start with a normal bracket, step by step. Just see, sleep. I'm running three process. One is with 1000, another one is 2000, another one is 3000. Three process I am running. I want to see what process running in my background. So these three processes are running. One, two, three. It's a job number, sequence number. One, two, three is a sequence number. It is running. Okay, and what process it is? Sleep 1000. If you want to see with the ps space hyphen j, also you can see these are the process running in my system. Okay, which I schedule these jobs. Okay, I created these jobs, we can able to see. Now how to control it? Jobs are running in a background. Now I want to bring any of the job to foreground. Okay, these jobs are running in a background. I want to bring these jobs into foreground. So how to bring the background jobs to foreground? Command is fg. Fg is a command to bring your foreground jobs to, sorry, your background jobs to foreground. Fg percentage job number. So I select 2 instead of 1. I put a 2. Second job, sleep 2000. I want to bring this job to foreground. That is a background job. I'm bringing to foreground. Now this is a process running in my foreground. Okay. Now I have to wait up to the remaining seconds of 2000 seconds, then completed, then I will get a normal terminal. But I don't want to wait that much time. What I am going to do is I'm going if I put a control D, the process will be end now only. The process will be end. If I put a control D, process will be end. So I don't want to end the process, I want to stop the process. uh, okay, so I'm putting control Z. I'm putting control Z. Control Z. Process is stopped. Just process is stopped in a foreground. Process is stopped in a foreground. How can I tell process is stopped in the foreground? Because I stopped in the foreground, and as well as you can see there is no ampersand in a after sleep 2000, and here also you can see ampersand is not there. Here is ampersand is there. I stop the process in a foreground. Then again I'm running a jobs. Can you see the process is stopped? It is went to the background and it is stopped. It is not running. I stop the process and the process is not running. Now I want to run the process in a background. Okay, I bring sleep 2000 process into the foreground using fg command, fg percentage 2, and I want to I stop the process using control Z. Now the process is stopped. Now I want to run the process in a background. I want to run the process in the background. Easy percentage 2. Now take it again. See, it is running process. Understand? So this is a practical part. Okay, what it is, I created a three process. So sleep 1000. Okay, I can put a complete one. So from here I put a sleep 1000, 2000, 3000. Okay, so mm, okay, this is a sleep 1000 and this 2000. Ignore the process IDs. Okay, so because your system generated different process IDs, automatically generate a process IDs. Okay, so I put a command called jobs. So then it is showing a three jobs. Okay, so don't worry about plus and minus kind of stuff, so don't worry that one. Okay, so this is a process ID. Can you see their parent ID and process ID are same? Okay, process id and pg id, sorry, group id it is. Okay, now I bring second process into foreground. Okay, and I put a control z, so then it is stop the process. So now I check the process again with the jobs command, the process is stopped. And now I want to run in a background, so bg percentage 2, so I'm running. Okay, so this is a right. And if you want to do for any other thing, so also we'll do, for example I want to take jobs, see from the jobs part only. So 1 2 3, so I will take the third one. So I will bring third job to foreground, fg percentage 3, so I'm bringing my third job to foreground. So it is in my foreground, it is in my foreground. Maybe the screen is very okay. Okay, my job is in a fg percentage 3, means third job is in foreground, it is running in foreground, it is running in a foreground. Now I want to stop this one, control z, I stop the process. Now I'm in normal terminal. Again I'm going to jobs, the third job is stopped in a foreground. Okay, um, and it is, once job is stopped, it return the terminal. Now I want to run this job again. Okay, I want to run this job again in a background. Okay, like this. Now if you check it, now job is running. So ampersand represent, put a job into the background, if background jobs having a ampersand symbol. And if you want to create a job and you put it into the backgrounds, and you have to specify the ampersand. If you want to run the process in a foreground, don't put a ampersand. So that's a simple thing. Okay. Mm. So this is about it. And just if in case like you want more information, ping and see one, I put an ampersand here. So what will happen? You can try different ways. It is generating output on my screen, but it immediately returns completed. The process is completed. See, okay, but it is running in this on the screen. Okay, it generate output on the screen and done. Because as per the command script tell you display output on the screen. It is running in a background, it run in a background, and it generating output, right? So it's generating output, that's why it is throwing on a screen. That's why we don't use regular commands here. We are using sleep because of when you put it in a background, there is no output. It will run the sleep process run for 1000 seconds, and it will kill automatically. Okay. In afternoon session, if you see this one, meantime the 1000 seconds are completed and automatically it will done. Okay, and it won't generate any output. That's why we are using sleep. If you are using ping command, cmd command, or cd move, all once it is completed, it may generate output or may not be generate output. Okay, so that is immediate executions. This is will take time executions. We can do practice understanding job management using sleep. Why? Because of all other commands will execute immediately. Okay, it won't take much time. You have to take a time taken process. So that's why we are taking sleep 1000, we can control it also. So 1000, 2000, 3000, 1 2 3 4 5, like that we can able to take it. So time taken jobs, like sleep 1 1 second, sleep 5 5 seconds. So you have to take time. That's why we are taking a sleep, not other process, because some commands may generate an output and it will interrupt your process. And once you given a command, mostly it will execute immediately and throw an output. Okay, so we can't observe more, we can't control more. But when this kind of process, like a running process things, keep on running process, we can able to control it. So that's the thing. Okay, so this is about your job controlling. Okay, I think I given everything. Again I will, if you want explanation. Okay, so I open a three process and these processes are running. The command is jobs to see what process running in a background. So background process is different, background job is different. Background process means anything is a background process on. Anything can be a background process because by system or by different users. But these jobs run by me, run by me only. So these jobs are run by me. So that's why it is called as a jobs, not a just background process. It's a background jobs. That's a command is also ps-j. So can you see these three jobs are running? Okay. Next, I want to bring a job. Okay, so if you see here, it is this job I want to bring it. So fg percentage 2. So I brought it into the foreground. I brought it into the foreground. So when it is running in a foreground, but I stop the foreground using Control Z, and I check it with the jobs. And this is the job which is running in a. It is running in a. It is running earlier. Now it is stopped in a foreground. So then it is showing like this. Job is stopped. Then now I run this process again in my background. I run the process in a background like this. So this is about your job controlling. And only one thing is not only one thing. There are a lot of things are left. Okay, so afternoon class we'll see AT and cron tab. So major part will be completed. Okay, major part will be completed. And guys, already I shared Windows 10 here. Um, if you can download meantime, download it. If you cannot download, means if you are using mobile data and all, you can download it separately. 1 hour I will take to install the Windows 10. Tomorrow I will start the Windows 10 practicals. Okay. PD also, of course. Okay, so we'll see afternoon cron tab thing. Okay, that's it, guys. So